What do you think should be done?
It can be very easily done. There are examples of states which are going leaps and bounds ahead. Wonderful things are happening. Just one man. Things are happening in Gujarat, just one man.
Absolutely.
So can't we produce 25 men or women like that in this country for every state?
I know.
What, yeah?
I know.
I am your best friend.
Okay,
Please?
okay, da. Okay.
Okay?
Continue பண்ணு.
Next,
Post-state record number of cases of coronavirus. Active cases in the state of Gujarat now stand at 44,298. 808,152 cases have been reported in the last 24 hours and 81 deaths also in the state. What do these numbers translate into? This story that we are putting out will give you a sense, because as the coronavirus surge in Gujarat, it is turning out to be a complete nightmare, not only for those who are getting infected, but their families as well. The entire health infrastructure of the state is completely overwhelmed.
Ambulance after ambulance lined up outside Ahmedabad Civil Hospital. Long queues of people waiting to receive bodies of their loved ones. As COVID deaths continue to rise in Ahmedabad, this has now become a familiar sight outside several hospitals in the city as it battles the second wave.
The Central Gujarat's biggest public hospital witnessed a fire inside the intensive care unit of the COVID hospital. CCTV footage of the incident emerged on Wednesday, revealing that the fire was not from a short circuit, but because of a ventilator placed inside the ICU-1 unit located on the first floor of the SSG building. The footage, which was widely in circulation, clearly shows that there was a kind of blast inside a ventilator, after which the fire started, resulting in panic among the staff and patients present inside the ICU. Officials maintained that a 4-member committee is probing the reasons behind the fire.
In such a time, if someone tells you that a prominent state provided ambu bags as ventilators to the government hospitals, isn't that enraging? Isn't that playing with the life of people? The state of Gujarat, which has over 12,000 coronavirus cases and more than 700 deaths at the last count, distributed breathing apparatus of a private company to the state-run hospitals as ventilators. Now, these devices, which are called Dhaman-1, were provided after the government doctors in Ahmedabad demanded ventilators for the COVID patients. But days after fitting these devices in the state-run hospitals, out of which 230 were fitted in Ahmedabad Civil Hospital alone, the doctors have written to the administration again, informing that these breathing apparatus are not giving the desired results. The hospital superintendent J.V. Modi wrote to the Gujarat Medical Services Corporation Limited asking for 50 high-end ICU ventilators. But what were these machines exactly then, which the government provided to the state-run hospitals instead of ventilators? Now, a report in Ahmedabad Mirror, which first broke the story, says that these were not exactly ventilators, but they were ambu bags. Now, what is ambu bag? A self-refilling bag valve mask unit with a 1 to 1.5 liter capacity, which is used for artificial respiration. While suboptimal for the non-intubated patients, it is effective for ventilating and oxygenating the intubated patients, which allows both spontaneous and artificial respiration. The mechanized ambu bags are those where a machine does the pumping action instead of a human. An oxygen cylinder can be connected to an ambu bag to aid an oxygen supply to a patient. The price of ambu bag is very minimal, say rupees 1,000 to rupees 3,000. On the other hand, a ventilator is a machine that provides mechanical ventilation by moving breathable air into and out of the lungs to deliver breaths to a patient who is physically unable to breathe or breathing insufficiently. Modern ventilators are computerized microprocessor controlled machines. One of the major symptoms of COVID-19 is breathlessness. Ventilators are thus the most effective in treating acute respiratory distress syndrome or severe breathing issues. The ventilator has different attachments that allow for oxygen supply at varied rates and provide constant monitoring of other vital signs such as heart rate, blood pressure, oxygen saturation level, etc. It is priced anywhere between 2 lakh rupees to 10 lakh rupees. Now, why were these ambu bags then provided to the Gujarat hospital? It was back in April when the cases in Gujarat began rising. The Chief Minister had announced using the Made in India ventilators then. Now, Ahmedabad Mirror report says that the government is refusing that they ever passed it off as ventilators, but the documents prove otherwise. On April 4, Gujarat Chief Minister Vijay Rupani had said in a statement that in the present scenario of the pandemic of COVID-19, the entire world is facing an acute shortage of availability of a sufficient number of ventilators because of the vertical rise in its demand for the treatment of the coronavirus patients. Thus, with the achievement of developing this cheap ventilator, Gujarat would become a path-breaking leader in the world in the fight against the deadly disease. The note further said that Rajkot-based private company Jyoti CNC had developed the ventilator Dhaman 1 in a very short period of just 10 days. The manufacturing cost of Dhaman 1 is less than rupees 1 lakh per piece. This great achievement would add a new feather to PM Narendra Modi's dream campaign of Make in India. That was what was written in the note by Chief Minister Vijay Rupani.